Construction technologies for buildings are advancing and improving each year. The landscape of cities is changing. New residential areas, industrial buildings, transport interchanges are emerging. The open joint-stock company Dzerzhinsk Experimental Mechanical Plant is a modern, high-tech welding company which specializes in metal constructions and structures for various industrial manufacturers and building construction industry, as well as producing non-standard metal equipment. The plant is part of the holding company Belaftomas, with the management company MAS. Our 40-year experience in the development of DEMZ makes it possible to transform our customers' needs into reliable products in accordance with the engineering and technological documentation. The production facility, located on 24,700 square meters, consolidates the equipment for all stages of metalworking. The production cycle begins with the preparation of a metal surface, for which the method of shot blasting is used. Sheet cutting and shape rolling are performed on laser, plasma, thermal cutting machines, guillotine shears, bandsaws. Apart from end products, Dzerzhinsk Experimental Mechanical Plant can offer any kind of metalworking to your order. Here is a wide collection of sheet bending and machining equipment for drilling, turning, milling, boring. The assembly line and welding production constitute a perfect complex of various technological operations to create metal structures in their round form. After fabricated items have undergone the process of spray boothing, they are ready for shipment. Guaranteeing safe operation, the plant manufactures products that are up to date with the recent technologies and are used in all areas of civil and industrial building construction. Thanks to the convenient location of the plant that is close to the international railway line, Koiznaba station, and 3 major motorways, deliveries are made at the earliest time possible. Easy access to local rail lines and roads expand the geography of our produce delivery. The important production line at Dzerzhinsk Experimental Mechanical Plant is represented by truck beds and bus frames of the MAS product range. Besides, our customers can have body repairs of passenger vehicles and vehicle body platforms carried out. The plant produces water towers, metal constructions and structures of any level of difficulty for shopping centers, industrial buildings, premises, public transport stops, etc. Casting molds, including PMS, precast monolithic slabs, rings, columns, crane tracks, girders, staircases, gang-moulding units for large panel prefabrication plants and reinforced concrete products, equipment for plants producing gas silicate blocks and using the technologies HAS and the technologies of the Dutch company Messe, casting molds, locking grates, autoclave trolleys and other tools. Molding unit for the production of large panel structures. In 2019, the plant successfully mastered the technique for producing molding units of the type alloying glass, which is now widely used in the construction process in the city of Nur-Sultan, the Republic of Kazakhstan. The molding units of Kolpak type produced by DEMZ are installed into a modern Russian plant in Voronezh. Today, Dzerzhinsk Experimental Mechanical Plant is a successful, dynamically developing enterprise. Our products meet the highest quality standards. Both professional expertise and well-coordinated work of the entire team allow us to find the most effective solutions in production processes. We never stop in our development, always move forward, create new interesting products, improve technologies, and advance our skills. We always look forward to new projects. Metal structures and constructions produced by DEMZ have earned a reputation in the market of modern construction equipment and receive international recognition and high ratings from the partners. Dzerzhinsk experimental mechanical plant has contributed to the erection of some modern buildings in Belarus, Russia, Kazakhstan, the Baltic countries. Its products are of high quality and sustainability to make it comfortable for people to live, work, gain strength, find fame and recognition.